Hello there guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited points on Shein. So let me just open it up right here, and as you can see I've only got this many points, but in the mod menu I can actually turn on unlimited points. So I'm going to open this and we'll see if it adds the points to our account. So let's see what happens, and it should work. So yeah, I can see it says adding, commencing. Alright, so let's see if it adds the points to our Shein account. And it says they were added, so let's see if it starts to increase. And bang guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited points on Shein in 2025, just like this. So let's get straight into the video guys. So all we have to do is go to the browser, go to tweakmod.com, and then on this site there's going to be a number of modded apps, as you can see. So we're going to go to the search bar, type in Shein, press install, and there you go guys, the mod's going to start downloading. So all you got to do now is wait. It should be pretty fast, so I'm just going to let it download here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and wait for this to download. So yeah, you can see right here it is the iPhone and Android supported, which is awesome. So it does work on both. So we'll just wait for it to load here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a second to load up. And now it's going to take us to that final step where we need to download the two apps from the App Store, which are all free. So that is awesome. So let's just give it a second. You can see it says missing files. So you just want to make sure you download two of the apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11. So it's a game, so I could do that. Then we got Travel Town. You got to reach level 9. Evertail, down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you guys download two of the apps, follow instructions. And there you go, guys. That's how to get it for your device. Unlimited Shein points 2025. So this is super cool, guys. And if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.